delicious dishes using arrowroot powder.
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the versatile world of arrowroot powder. Often used as a thickening agent, arrowroot powder is a staple in many kitchens, especially for those looking for a gluten-free alternative to cornstarch. So let's discover some popular recipes where this ingredient truly shines.
Why use arrowroot powder?
Arrowroot powder is extracted from the arrowroot plant and is a white, fine powder. The main reasons for its popularity are, it's gluten-free, perfect for those with gluten sensitivities. It results in a clear, glossy finish, unlike cornstarch which can be cloudy. It thickens at a lower temperature and can be used in acidic foods where cornstarch might fail.
Fruit pie filling.
One of the classic recipes that utilize arrowroot powder is the fruit pie filling. Ingredients: fresh fruit, like blueberries, strawberries, or apples, 2 to 3 tablespoons of arrowroot powder, sugar to taste, a splash of lemon juice. Instructions: 1. Mix arrowroot powder with a little cold water to form a paste. 2. Combine fruit, sugar, and lemon juice in a saucepan and heat. 3. Add the arrowroot paste and stir continuously until the filling thickens. 4. Pour into a pie crust and bake as usual.
Gravy.
Who doesn't love a rich, velvety gravy? Arrowroot makes it simple. Ingredients: meat drippings or broth, 1 to 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Extract a cup of broth or drippings and let it cool slightly. 2. Whisk in arrowroot powder until it forms a slurry. 3. Add the slurry back to the pot, whisking continuously until thickened. 4. Season with salt and pepper.
Vegan cheese sauce.
A delight for vegans, arrowroot provides the desired consistency for cheese sauces. Ingredients: 1 cup soaked cashews, 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon arrowroot powder, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and turmeric for seasoning, water or plant-based milk for blending. Instructions: 1. Blend all ingredients except arrowroot in a blender until smooth. 2. Pour into a saucepan and heat gently. 3. Dissolve arrowroot in a splash of cold water and add to the saucepan. 4. Stir until the sauce thickens. Adjust seasoning. There you have it. Just a few of the many recipes where arrowroot powder proves to be a game changer. Whether you're gluten-free, vegan, or just exploring new ingredients, arrowroot is a fantastic addition to your pantry. We hope this video has inspired you to try it in your own recipes. Happy cooking!